going to show you how to activate and deactivate the electric footsteps on this Range Rover L322. If you have installed new footsteps, or if your current system is not working, or if you have just replaced your control module and the footsteps are not working, first you should activate them. To do this, you should press this footstep button, keep it pressed, and put the key on ignition and turn it on. Wait, give me a second. Press the switch and turn the ignition on. The light blinks for 2 times. That means the footstep system has turned off on this. My colleague will show you how the footstep is not working now. To activate it again, you should turn off the key, press this button, turn the ignition on, and the light will blink for 3 times. Now it should work. And it should work on both sides. Alright, thank you.